ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy.
You smell like you farted.
We've got to get off it by thunder! This be going? There she is. Come on, lass.
I'll show you how it works. When a parent wants a pod, they just turn the box around, press the button 3 times within 5 seconds, a tone will play, and then they can open the lid and take out a pod. Now let's look at a dangerous situation. Let's say a baby has gotten to a box of Tide Pods and has opened the lid. Now the box knows that it's not a parent because the baby hasn't pushed the button within those 5 seconds. So to protect the baby and prevent it from eating a pod, the box deploys a 30,000 volt taser.
You look like a total noob!
You look like Scooby-Doo!
Oh my God! He's lit it! The Gritty's in the shop! The Gritty! He's hitting the Gritty! The Gritty's in the shop! Holy cow!
沙发用久了，上面有很多老旧污渍，很难清理，就想换个。
テーブルゲーム部の良さあげてください。コーラあげますので。
Go, Charlie. It's your birthday.
Who did that?
McDonald's!
Hey yo! Give me the mic, yo! I know you hear me!
This is all within the theoretical limits.
Real Potato vs Fake Potato. Fake. Real.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
You guys, the imposter from a moment literally left us aside. Clap, what does it say? These is sus. Who's Deep? Who is these? Schlappish, where are you? Oh my god! Schlappish! Who's Dees?
Deep not! Puppy! Puppy!
Those are dead puppies.
You know, I could really use some motivation. You know, I could really use some more. Really use some more. You know, I could really use some more. You know, I could really use some motivation. You know, I could really use some more. Really use some more. You know, I could really use some more.
Quack! It's me! I'm Red!
Now I want to hear it from the real peep, not some red imposter.
Now.
It beats for you, so listen.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder! It's a rock!
Nice throw.
King, I am not a god, I am!
Your mom!
Why can't we flex on the world and make them say our name? Hey! Our favorite color's purple. We stay out past the curfew. My kung fu grip will hurt you. Who's made in trouble with you?
Microwave right here. Do not microwave. I'm sure that's not a problem. I mean, it's just coffee in a latte. What could possibly go wrong?
Show me your gritty. Show me your... Oh my god, that's one way to hit the gritty!
You know what that means? Fish! You guys, why don't we are the Among Us haunted forest? I'm supposed to don't drink it, no! Oh my gosh! Oh my crazy, oh no! You guys, I don't know where he is! You guys, I think we got away!
You see me chuckling, huh?
Good question! How about I leave you alone with this guy instead?
It's my life, it's now or never.
Oh, you can't come back here.
Chicken sandwich.
Yes, but...
It is currently 3 a.m. and the Among Us trollface is calling me. This is so sussy. Shh.
Hold up.
Mr. Among Us? Mr. Imposter? Are you the imposter?
Yes, I am Among Us Trollface.
Guys, that was so crazy. Click that follow button or else you're sussy and we'll...
We are coming through the cabin to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in the upright and locked position. All carry-on items have been securely stowed, so nothing is blocking access to your main aisle. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is prohibited on board at all times. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors on aircraft lavatories. Federal aviation regulation require passenger compliance with Latin passenger information signs, place of postcards, and crew members' instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking.
Visitors may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.